All right, some of you for your number scroll are already on your 200th page. So you've already wrote your numbers to 100, and now you're ready for the next page. And some of you have even glued it on to your paper towel. 2. So this one is Lewis's, and remember, your names are going to be on the inside. So if you're looking for yours, it's on the inside. He has got his 100 done. He's got a star on it. That means he got them all right. Mrs. Murphy checked them. He was able to glue this on. And now Lewis is on the 200s, or actually the hundreds, going all the way to the 200s, okay? So Lewis can grab his number scroll. He won't necessarily need this right away. He's got to finish this page first. All of your number scrolls will have a rubber band so that you can kind of band them around. If you need help with it, let me know. If this rubber band becomes like a weapon, because it can be dangerous, I will take it away from you. So make sure rubber bands stay on your tube, okay? Corla. If you break the rubber band, Mrs. Murphy has more. So if you break it, I have a little bag of rubber bands in there, okay? Brooklyn.
I'm actually kind of scared of rubber bands because when they break, it actually slaps you and it hurts.
Right, so it can be dangerous. Okay, now I want to show you something on this page because some of you already got to 100. So on this page, every one of these is going to start with 100. So everyone is going to start with 100. Now let me help you do the first row because this is always the trickiest row. Some kids would say 101.
No.
Is that right? That's 11. So I cannot just write a 1 there. I have to put a 0 there and then the 1. Just like Mrs. Murphy put the 0, then a 9, a 0, then an 8. I have to put that 0 there to hold its place. Okay? So this one would be 100. 102. And I'm just going to do all my 100s along this top row, just so that you guys can see the pattern here. So then I would do 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. This is where now it kind of becomes normal. Because once I hit that 10, I can just say it in my head. Just 1 second. Mrs. Murphy put all my 100s here. Because if I do this, if I put all those 100s there, now this is just like counting. 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120.
Mrs. Murphy, you can just do this. Like just write it on like a 6 and but put like leave a little gap, and then when we're all done with it, just go all over again and just put 1.
You could do that. Addie.
What you could do is just go in one row, just do 1, 1, 1, 1 until you're done doing that. Then it's just normal.
Then it's just normal. So did you see what Addie was kind of saying? You can just put all your 1s over on the left-hand side because you know you're going to have a 100. So there's going to be 3 digits here. So you have to have a 1, and then it'll just be like normal. Except for this top row, we normally don't put 0, 1, do we? No.
No, because that would be 14.
But on every one of these pages on your number scroll, you're going to have to put like your hundreds number and then 0, 1. And then your hundreds number is 0, 2. So this row right here is the row that a lot of times my second graders get tricked on it, or else they get stuck on, or they do something quite not right. So if you get to this top row and you need some help, make sure you find Mrs. Murphy or find an adult to help you with this top row. Because once you get the top row done, the rest is pretty easy. Okay? Brooklyn.
Can I just leave the thing on there?
Yes, I'm going to leave this up here today so that those of you that are starting this page, which there are a bunch of you, you can look up here to help you get going. Okay? Who So, Ellie,
You could just put a bunch of ones on all of it, and then you could do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
yep.
And after,
Just, is this what you're kind of saying, Ellie? Yeah, see this pattern, guys? Mrs. Murphy found a pattern going down. And then I also found another. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. I did. There we go. Or there's even another pattern. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
You forgot your
9.
ones.
I did forget my ones. So you guys see there's a couple patterns going on. Okay.
Mrs. Jensen, I really like the pattern. So, like, this is what you do. It's like a whole line, but you lift up where the black line is. It's like you're jumping over like hot lava and you can't like touch it, so you have to like jump.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, last one, Addie, and then we're gonna get going because we got about 10 minutes.
if your rubber band breaks, don't